In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your microphone on Microsoft Teams. This is a handy skill whether you're preparing for an important meeting, interview, or just catching up with your team. Ensuring your microphone works correctly helps you communicate effectively, making sure your voice is heard loud and clear without any technical hitches. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you're going to click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing all the features Teams has to offer, so go ahead and use your account credentials to log in. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, Teams has got you covered with password recovery options. With the login step out of the way, your next move is to find the calendar icon within Teams. This section helps you keep track of all your meetings and appointments, making it a breeze to stay organized. So click on that calendar and let's move to the next step. Now, you've probably got a particular meeting in mind that you're setting up your microphone for. In your calendar, you should see a list of your scheduled meetings. Go ahead and click on the one you want to prepare for. This opens up the meeting details and gives you a couple of options to choose from. Among these options, you're looking for the Join button. Clicking this will start the process of entering your meeting, but hold up, we're not quite ready to dive into the meeting yet. We've got a microphone to test. After clicking Join, you'll notice a small gear icon. This is where all the magic happens for testing your microphone. Go ahead and give that gear icon a click. This brings you into the settings menu, which is full of tweaks and adjustments you can make to optimize your team's experience. Within the settings menu, you're going to want to locate the audio settings section. This part is crucial for testing your microphone because it lets you select and adjust your audio input devices. Once you've clicked into the audio settings, you'll see a list of available microphones. This might include the built-in microphone on your laptop or external devices if you have them connected. This is the moment of truth. Click and choose your microphone from the list to test it. Teams allow you to speak into your microphone, and you should see visual feedback in the form of a moving bar that responds to your voice. If you see this, congratulations, your microphone is working as it should. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to testing your microphone on Microsoft Teams. Remember, good communication starts with making sure you're heard. So before any important meeting, taking a minute to test your microphone can make a big difference. Happy meeting, and I'll see you in the next video.